In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Gmail. This is a valuable skill to develop, especially if you're managing a mailing list or sending out newsletters, and you want to provide your recipients with an easy way to opt out if they wish to. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Gmail and compose a new message. In the Gmail interface, locate the Compose button, which is usually situated in the upper left corner of your screen. Once you click it, a new email draft will open. Now, this is where you'll be drafting your email message, but before we do that, let's focus on creating that essential unsubscribe link. Within your email draft, it's time to add a hyperlink. But before jumping into that, consider where you want to position this unsubscribe link so it's readily visible to your recipients. A common practice is to add it towards the bottom of your email, often in the footer, as it's typically where users expect to find it. In the body of your email, type the text that you want your link to display. This could be something like "unsubscribe here." Select this text with your cursor to highlight it. With the text highlighted, locate the Insert Link button in the Gmail interface. It looks like a small chain link. By clicking it, you'll open a dialog box where you can enter the URL that your unsubscribe text will be linked to. Now, it's important to note here that you should have a URL ready, pointing to a page where your subscribers can choose to opt out of future emails. If you don't have an unsubscribe page yet, it's crucial to set this up with your email service provider to manage your mailing lists effectively and stay compliant with email regulations. Once you have your URL, enter it into the field provided in the Gmail hyperlink dialog box. After entering it, double-check for any typos to ensure everything is correct. When you're confident the URL is accurate, click the OK or Apply button to insert the link in your email. Now that your unsubscribe link is embedded in the text, take a moment to review the entirety of your email content. Make sure everything looks professional and that your unsubscribe option is clear and easy to find. Remember, providing an unsubscribe link is not just a best practice, it's a legal requirement in many regions under regulations like the CAN-SPAM Act and GDPR. Once you're satisfied with your email, proceed and add the recipients to the To field and fill out the subject line with compelling and relevant content. When everything looks good, go ahead and hit send. By adding an unsubscribe link, you've taken a significant step towards respecting your contacts' preferences and maintaining a strong reputation for your email communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.